would be my pleasure to introduce the man of the hour, who is the head cultural coordinator of CSE, two times winner at One India, three times winner of Spectra, two times the runner up at One World, two times state level tennis champion, qualified GATE twice, and has an teaching experience of 8 years in LPU, has coordinated more than hundreds of events, and has 20 research publications in areas of image processing. He's also pursuing his PhD in LPU. And this is just the summary. The list goes on and on and on. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with me the head cultural coordinator of CSE, Chirag Sharma sir.
Hi guys, hi, how are you all?
Hello
I
sir.
hope everybody is doing fine.
So we are
Sir,
very
fine
fine
arts
and
के
hope
बच्चे हैं,
so.
so fine ही
Fine
होंगे.
arts के बच्चे, हाँ अभी actually fine arts के बच्चे they should be fine, and I think so that the time was sufficient enough for them, and it's been great ride again with Aryan. It's my first event with him. He's co-host. Actually, he's hosting the event, so
Yes.
I'm excited for him, and I'm excited for what students have made for today's whatever they have showcased. I think I'm sure that they are going to rock on that.
Okay. So here basically I have presented a race where one side I have presented darkness, which is full of medicines, injections, vaccine bottles, and this virus. And one side I have shown how India is winning slowly and slowly against this virus, showing a beautiful and colorful area with flowers and diyas all over this area. That was all from my side. Thank you.
Our topic was a race against this virus. So the virus which I have taken into consideration is the domestic violence against women, because I think it's the virus in people's mind and the society itself. So my presentation is just a second. Can you see it?
Yes, it is
Yes, we
visible.
can see it.
Okay, so that's it.
All right.
And I decided to choose the coronavirus because why not choose the most famous virus of all time? And I have depicted Earth half as the Earth itself and half as the coronavirus with an injection, or you can say vaccine, as a sword, because we all know that vaccine is the only thing that can help us to remove this virus out of our life. And then I have done the detailing and the designing around my. So yeah, that's it.
So at times of COVID, vaccine is the best way out of it. My painting depicts the situation of coronavirus and its presentation as vaccine process, which could help humans survive this time. As we all know that our Bharat had suffered a lot 2020 because of one of the deadliest virus in 2020, that is COVID-19. Thank you.
So the topic given to us for cartooning was we can all fight it out. So I have tried to depict it through my cartoon, which is showcasing the poor people who are stricken by hunger and poverty, who were left behind during the pandemic, and the media didn't even show them. So it is showing about the hands using the hand sanitizers. I'm showing that it is written ethanol. So it is just a sarcasm that shows surplus rice to be used for hand sanitizers, and a poor person, poor father, and his son, his scared son, are uh, begging in front of the person.
Here's my drawing. The words are getting mirror effect here because of the front camera. Here's a victim, rape victim, and here's written, "What were you wearing?" And here's written, "Rapists rape people, not outfits." It's about rape culture. It's about normalizing rape culture. I just want to convey the message that instead of teaching women what to wear, how to sit, how to stand, teach men to respect women despite of what they are wearing or how they are behaving.